Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 MG GS Soul, stock reference number 5127. This shape runs from the 9th month 2016 through to the 8th month 2019. It has an SGE 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. SGE 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand daytime running light, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand daytime running light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tailgate garnish, right tailgate garnish, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has 2 small dents, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat-nav, touchscreen CD, media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglasses, holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with phone and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.